think you have seen what we have experienced in the past 7-8 days to today. As the MDC party, 5 MDC MPs are being detained and denied the chance to apply for bail, while a 6th member was arrested, detained, and then released without charges after hours of unjustified persecution at Harare Central. That's Honorable Makam. Of the honorable members who are still in detention, we have Honorable Amos Baya, we have Honorable Kankuni, we have Honorable Settlement Chikwinya, Honorable Godfrey Stole is in hiding. Several others have had their homes invaded, their houses ransacked, and their families petrified. With Honorable Godfrey Stole's brother Kudakwashe being abducted again in acts that cannot be justified at law. The MPs have an obligation to represent the citizens, which responsibility will not be carried out if the MP's freedom is restricted. The government has suspended constitutional rights in fast-tracking trials of our MPs, the many politicians, the activists,